Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the taillight housing to replace the brake light, turn signal, and reverse. So we're going to go ahead and drop the tailgate, and there are two screws here. There's one here and then one down below. So just remove each of these with the cross point or Phillips screwdriver, and the taillight housing will come out and rearward is the way that it will come out. Now on the actual socket there is a little tab that you're pushing down on, so you're going to push on that and then twist it counterclockwise. So when you do that, then the bulb will come out. And so to remove the bulb, you're just going to pull straight out on it. So this is what it looks like in the socket. You're just going to wiggle it and pull it straight out. And it does help to put a little bit of dielectric grease inside of it if you wanted to, just for a better connection and to fight against moisture and everything like that. But the new bulb just pushes right back in. And then you just put it back into the socket. We're going to line it up to where the notches allow the socket to go into the housing, then turn it clockwise. And then you're going to put the tail light back in and install your two screws. So very simple to do on these. And so if you enjoyed this video, please check the video description. I have a full playlist of other videos that I've done that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.